How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get a girl to text you back when she's ignoring you tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So generally what happens for this, and I'm going to talk about what would happen in a situation with me if I'm doing this. If a girl is ignoring me, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to text other girls. That is the first thing that I'm going to do. Now, if she's ignoring you and she hasn't texted you in a couple of days or even up to a week, she's probably not interested in you. And here's the funny thing. If you start texting other girls and you don't text her, what will happen is two things will happen. One, she will still continue not to text you, or two, she will get really jealous if she finds out you're texting other girls. Or three, what will happen is she will be like, hey, he hasn't texted me. And then she will then text you. I cannot tell you how many times this has happened. If you text her once, twice, three times, and she does not respond, do not keep texting her. That is by far the worst possible thing that you can do, is to continue to text and text and text. It does no good at all. For me, I understand that dating is a numbers game. If you ask enough people, if you text enough people, eventually people will say yes to dates. And that is really how it works. It's really a numbers game. If you ask two people to go on a date and one person says yes and one person says no, then that's only one date. If you ask 100 people on dates and let's say 30 people say yes, 70 people say no, well, that's 30 dates. It's definitely a numbers game, you guys. And honestly, I wouldn't even, like, if someone's ignoring me, why would I want to text them? They obviously do not care about me. They don't want to talk. They don't want to continue to get to know me. I would not care at all. Like, if I'm texting someone and they ignore me and stop texting me, then I'm not texting them back at all. I'm going to text someone else. And the other person I text, they might respond right away to me and they might be super interested in me. So, honestly, the best way to get a girl to text you back when she is ignoring you is to also ignore her and to stop texting her as well. I would say about 50% of the time she will eventually text you back. The odd time she might not. And if that's the case, well, then you have to move on either way because she's just not texting you. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.